Okay, so basically the idea is I'm going to use the loader and I'm going to try the load sensor. So in order for the thing to work, you need to get a bucket. Okay, you need to apply the joystick, only the arm joystick. I don't know if you can see what's going on. All right, so this is the measurement. It says 1.3 kilograms. So we're gonna check with the weight that I have with me. Okay, so let's try and let's weight it. So this is 2.3 kilograms. Okay, so minus 450. It should be like a 1.9, about 1.8 kilograms full of dirt bucket. So 1.8 on the top. I don't know if you can see. So 1.8 over here, which is about what's in the bucket. Okay, so let's do another bucket. Let's try like a smaller one. Okay, and like I said, what we're gonna do, what you should do is you should just use the arm joystick, and only this one, because it's going to measure the amp. So this should be a 1.3 kilograms bucket. It's going to be the same on both, with both calibration. So let me weight it. Hopefully you can see there's a 0, and now so 1.675. So let's say 1.7 minus 475, it's about 1.2. 1.2, man, it's kind of close, you know, it's kind of close. It's not, I was thinking it might be worse. We are off by like 100 grams, which is okay. I mean, definitely okay. All right, so 1.3, and it's about 1.2 in the bucket right now. So let's try another bucket. So let's try a big one, especially for Neil. All right, so you need to make sure that everything is quiet, no action, no measurement with the volt sensor, the amperage sensor. Okay, I'm gonna, oops, okay, so it should be 1.5 kilograms. I think it's kind of off, but we will see. Let's see. So once again, I hope you can see the 0. And so 2 kilograms minus 475, so it's actually 1.6 kilograms. Yeah, man, it's kind of good, man. I don't know if you can see it. It's 1.6 about, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, love it. To be honest, I was not expecting the thing to be this accurate. So all right, why not? So 2 points, hopefully you can see, I don't know, 2.1 kilogram minus 475, so it's going to be about 1.7, sorry. It's about right, you know, it's about right. It's good. What I'm going to show you is how the load sensor kind of work, you know, or how accurate it is. I've been doing some testing. First of all, you need to calibrate the thing. I mean, that's the PDF that will explain everything. So let's try to do one bucket. All right, so what is very important is when you do the measurements, as you will see now, the sensor, the current sensor, is going to calculate the current that is needed to raise the arm. Okay, so let me show you right now. Okay, so you raise the bucket for like at least 2 or 3 seconds. I mean, it's a setting. So I don't know if you can read, but there's 2 different values over here on both screens, because I made 2 different calibration. Okay, So on the top screen it says the bucket was 1.54 kilograms, and the bottom one is going to be 1.3. Okay, and on the yellow side, the yellow writing, I don't know if you can see it because it's a reflection, but what is written is like, this is the number of buckets, and this is the current sequence. Okay, so we're gonna weight the bucket and we'll see how accurate it is. So I hope you can read, but there's a 0 over there, and the empty bucket is 400, let's say 500 grams. It's between 400 and 475 anyway. So 1.9 minus 400 or 500 is about 1.3 kilograms. And this is the value that is written on the bottom panel. Okay, so it's going to be the second bucket. All right, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's try to raise it. So we raise it without touching anything. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, so it says 1.54 on both panels, and it says 2.1 minus 500, let's say. So it is accurate. Actually, it is accurate. So it's going to be 1.5 kilograms right here. So let's do another one. Let's say like a lighter one. Okay, and see. Let's see how it goes. All right. So it should be okay. So it says 1.5. So let's do the thing. So 0. So 1.6 minus, no, so it's supposed to be 1.1 kilograms. So this is way off over here. For some reason, I don't know. I don't know why it's way off right now. The series or the sequence. Let's do another measurement. All right. All right, so okay. Okay, 1.3 kilograms. So 0. Once again, I hope you can see it. So 0. So 1.7. So I hope you can see it, man. It's just like so many reflections. So 1.7 minus 475 is about 1.3, 1.250, something like that. And it says 1.3, so that's not bad. That's not bad. Calculation, the weight is pretty good. So I just pressed, I'm going to reset the sequence, the series. So we're about 0 gram for the sequence, and let's do some work. All right, so what you need to do, like I said, you just move the arm when nothing else is moving. Okay, so 1.3 and 1.54. Okay. All right. I'll raise the arm. Okay. Okay, so about 1.8 on the top screen and 1.5 in the bottom screen. Okay, another bucket. We raise the bucket, we raise the arm, I mean. Okay, so 2.8 kilograms in this one. Okay, and one more. So it's going to be 4 buckets for this truck. Raising the arm. It's about 1.8 or 1.5. Alright, so let's see what's the sequences for this loader, for this dump truck. So the calculation is about the same on top and bottom screen. Now the bottom screen is about 7.15 kilograms with 4 buckets, and on the top screen it says 7.9 kilograms for 4 buckets. So I can tell that there is about between 7.1 and 7.9 kilograms in the truck, in the dump truck full of dirt, which is, let's say, 7.5 kilograms, which seems accurate to me, but you know, we'll see. Okay, that's about it. That's about it with this kind of widget. Is it like perfectly accurate? No. Is it fun? Yes. It is. It's quite an experience. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully I will be able to make this widget available for everyone soon.